Welcome to the myEcon compensation plan training. In addition to this video, you should refer to document 701, 702, and 705 for full understanding of how you are paid in myEcon. When you enroll into myEcon, you start as a marketing director. As a marketing director, you receive 15% on personal CV. CV stands for commission value. myEcon assigns each product or service you sell a commission value. Commissions are calculated based on the CV earned. In addition to 15% commissions on personal CV, a marketing director receives $10 for the first 2 people who purchase the income shifting membership and become marketing directors themselves. In this example, A and B are your first 2 enrolled income shifting membership sales. As a marketing director, you will receive $10 for each sale. In order to promote to the next rank, which is titled EVP or Executive Vice President, you have to either personally enroll 2 new marketing directors by selling them the income shifting membership or selling $200 of personal CV in product sales. Once you personally enroll 2 new marketing directors, you are promoted to Executive Vice President. As an Executive Vice President, you are now positioned to create base shops, beginning with the next person you sponsor. Your third personally sponsored marketing director starts your base shop, and you earn $35 for every personally sponsored marketing director. When a marketing director in your base shop sponsors his or her first 2 marketing directors, those 2 marketing directors remain in your base shop, and you earn $25 for each marketing director. These are marketing directors not personally sponsored by you. You must maintain a 75% 1-month retention in order to receive the $35 and $25 commissions from your base shop. Executive Vice Presidents who do not have at least 75% 1-month retention will receive a reduction of $27.50 on personal MDs and $17.50 on base shop MDs. As an Executive Vice President, you will now receive 25% of personal CV sales and 10% of base shop CV sales. If you want to increase your percentage payout for personal CV sales and base shop sales, you can qualify for the Super Retailer Bonus Commissions. To qualify for Super Retailer Bonus Commissions, you must personally produce at least $25 of CV in the prior 5 commission cycles, or $75 of CV in the prior 13 commission cycles, or $150 of CV in the prior 26 commission cycles, or $300 of CV in the prior 52 commission cycles. When that happens, you are now eligible to receive 100% of personal CV and 85% of base shop CV. Let's quickly address the first 2 marketing directors that you sponsored. The first 2 marketing directors that you sponsored are not in your base shop. They are in the base shop of your immediate upline EVP. However, you will receive a 25% match of the base shop income of those first 2 marketing directors after they are promoted to Executive Vice President. 25% of $35 is $8.75, and 25% of $25 is $6.25. The 25% match does not include income from the Super Retailer Bonus. A marketing director in your base shop must sponsor 2 marketing directors in order to promote to Executive Vice President. When this happens, they are promoted to your first generation and will remain in your first generation for the life of your business. In this example, C sponsored C1 and C2. C is now promoted to Executive Vice President and moves to your first generation. C1 and C2 were left in your base shop, and you earn $25 commissions for each. This is a total of $50. In order for C1 and C2 to get promoted to Executive Vice President, they must each sponsor 2 marketing directors. When C1 sponsors C3 and C4, and when C2 sponsors C5 and C6, they are both promoted to your first generation as Executive Vice Presidents. You also earn $25 each for C3, C4, C5, and C6 for a total of $100. In order for C3, C4, C5, and C6 to leave your base shop, they will be required to sponsor 2 marketing directors each. If they do not sponsor 2 marketing directors, they remain in your base shop until they do. This process repeats itself to infinity. The power of 2 can grow into 4, 8, 16, 32, and beyond to infinity. However, C was just your first base shop. You can go wide and personally sponsor as many marketing directors as you desire. Each base shop that you personally build creates a new opportunity to go deep, paying multiple $25 for each marketing director. The key to maxing out this compensation plan is to sponsor wide while helping your base shop team grow deep. As you are building your base shops by going wide, you should also grow deep and help promote base shop MDs into first-generation executive vice presidents. Once a marketing director promotes out of your base shop, they become a first-generation EVP. You need first-generational EVPs to rank advance. These first-generational EVPs are going to keep growing. As they grow their own teams, you will receive generational overrides based on your rank. Every time someone joins myEcon in your generations, you get paid generational overrides, product sales commissions, and dream team residuals. To receive commissions in myEcon, you must be active in myEcon and have 2 personally enrolled active associates. You must have an active Cashback Mall membership or have personally produced at least $2 of CV in the prior 5 commission cycles, or $6 of CV in the prior 13 commission cycles, or $12 of CV in the prior 26 commission cycles, or $24 of CV in the prior 52 commission cycles. You must also meet the required qualifications for your specific rank. To be EVP Gold, you must have at least 10 active members, counting no more than 5 active members from your base shop or any first-generation EVP's marketing team. To be EVP Platinum, you must have at least 80 active members, counting no more than 20 active members from your base shop or any first-generation EVP's marketing team. To be EVP Infinity, you must have at least 400 active members, counting no more than 80 active members from your base shop or any first-generation EVP's marketing team. To be CEO Infinity, you must have at least 1,000 active members, counting no more than 100 active members from your base shop or any first-generation EVP's marketing team. The compensation plan overview chart shows what generation commissions are earned based on your rank. We see that the $35 personal and $25 base shop commissions are all the same across all ranks. Once you start creating generational growth, you will earn commissions based on your rank. A qualified EVP is eligible to earn in generations 1 through 3, $2.50 for each membership sold, 3% of team sales CV generated, and $1 per month for each active Dream Team Residual membership renewal. A qualified EVP Gold is eligible to earn in generations 1 through 4, $7.50 for each membership sold, 7% of team sales CV generated, and $3 per month for each active Dream Team Residual membership renewal. A qualified EVP Platinum is eligible to earn in generations 1 through 5, $12.50 for each membership sold, 12% of team sales CV generated, and $5 per month for each active Dream Team Residual membership renewal. A qualified Infinity is eligible to earn on generations 1 through 5, $12.50 for each membership sold, plus $2.50 for each membership sold in generations 1 through Infinity, down to the next qualified EVP Infinity, and then 50 cents on each membership down to the next qualified Infinity. 12% of team CV sales generated, plus 3% of team sales CV down to the next qualified EVP Infinity, and then 2% Team CV sales down to the next qualified Infinity. And $5 per month for each active Dream Team residual membership renewal in generations 1 through 5, plus $2 per month for each active Dream Team residual membership renewal in generations 1 through Infinity down to the next qualified EVP Infinity, and then $1 per month for each active Dream Team residual membership renewal down to the next qualified Infinity. A qualified CEO Infinity is eligible to earn EVP Infinity commissions plus $1 per month for each active Dream Team residual membership renewal through Infinity down to the next qualified CEO Infinity. Then 50 cents per month for each active Dream Team residual membership renewals through Infinity down to the next qualified CEO Infinity. DTR is known as Dream Team Residuals and are only paid on the memberships that have paid their monthly fee at least 5 months and the current calendar month. This chart does not show the payout on the second Infinity in the same leg. Please refer to document 701, Compensation Plan Overview, and refer to the second page. Let's take a look at how generations are created. Remember, in our initial example, C was the third person you sponsored, and therefore was the first person that started your base shop. When C sponsored his first 2 marketing directors, C became your first generation EVP. C is now building his organization. Each time a new marketing director enters C's organization, you will receive a generational override based on your current rank. C's base shop organization is growing. You receive generational override payouts on the marketing directors entering into C's organization. In order for a marketing director to leave C's base shop, that marketing director must sponsor 2 marketing directors. C4 sponsors 2 marketing directors, C6 and C7. C4 gets promoted to executive vice president and leaves C's base shop and becomes C's first generation EVP and your second generation EVP. C4's base shop organization starts growing. You are receiving generational override payouts on the marketing directors entering into C4's organization. Again, in order for a marketing director to leave C4's base shop, that marketing director must be promoted to executive vice president by personally sponsoring 2 marketing directors. C11 does that by personally sponsoring C13 and C14. Now C11 is promoted to executive vice president and becomes C4's first generation EVP, C's second generation EVP, and your third generation EVP. C11's base shop organization starts growing. You are receiving generational override payouts on the marketing directors entering into C11's organization. This process continues from generation to generation. As you can see from this compensation plan, the key to building wealth is to personally go wide by personally sponsoring, and to also go deep by helping promote people out of your base shop. Let's take a look at the potential earnings of a CEO Infinity who has 400 new associates entering into his or her super team on a monthly basis. Starting in January, 400 new associates come into the Infinity's organization. In this example, we will assume these 400 new associates are not personal sponsors, but team recruits. As a CEO Infinity, you receive $15 per new associate as generation overrides. 400 times $15 is $6,000. This level of recruiting happens every month for the next 5 months. On month 6, the same level of recruiting happens as before. However, Dream Team residuals kick in from the recruiting activity that happened back in January. We're going to assume that 50% of the people who joined in January have quit. That leaves 200 active associates who have paid their monthly membership for 5 months. As a CEO Infinity, you earn a total of $8 Dream Team residuals per active membership. $8 times 200 active memberships is $1,600. Add the $1,600 to the $6,000 that you made and you take home $7,600 for the month. Notice that you did not do anything extra for the $1,600 because that is the money from the people that were sponsored 6 months earlier. Let's see what happens the next month. In July, your group grows by 400 new associates again, but this time you're getting paid Dream Team residuals for the January and February sponsors. Again, we factor in a 50% attrition. Your income grows by another $1,600 and your total earnings for the month is $9,200. Let's extrapolate this out 1 year. One year later, with your team sponsoring 400 new associates a month, your monthly revenue is now $18,800. Let's see what happens in another 6 months. In the month of June, 18 months from the time you started, you have now created a monthly residual of $26,800. Quite impressive on a product that has a monthly membership cost of $34.95. myEcon offers the industry's best compensation plan with additional income streams such as up to 100% of CV on personal product sales, up to 85% of CV on base shop product sales, up to 15% on team product sales, and $1 plus on CEO bonus Dream Team residual. Join myEcon today and start income shifting your way to financial success.